Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are going to dive deep into the fascinating world of number systems in computing. Numbers are the foundation of everything we do in computers, and understanding different number systems is crucial. So, let's get started. The most commonly used number systems in computing are decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal. These examples provide a glimpse into the conversion process between different number systems. We'll focus on binary today, as it plays a fundamental role in computer architecture. Binary is a base, two-number system, meaning it only uses two digits, 0 and 1. It's the language that computers speak. In binary, each digit is called a bit, short for binary digit. Bits are the building blocks of information storage and processing. To understand binary numbering, let's consider an example. Here we have the binary number 100101001. Each bit in this number holds a specific position and weight, starting from the rightmost bit. The rightmost bit, also known as the least significant bit, LSB, holds the least weight, which is 2 to the power of 0, equal to 1. As we move to the left, the weight of each bit doubles. The leftmost bit, also known as the most significant bit, MSB, holds the most weight, which is 2 to the power of 7, equal to 256. The second bit from the right has a weight of 2 to the power of 1, which is 2. The third bit has a weight of 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. This pattern continues, with each subsequent bit having twice the weight of the previous bit. Using the binary number 100101001, we can calculate its decimal equivalent by multiplying each bit by its corresponding weight and adding the result. In this case, we have, which simplifies to 149 in decimal. And there you have it. We've explored the basics of number systems in computing, focusing on the binary system. Remember, computers speak the language of binary, and every piece of information is ultimately represented using zeros and ones. Leibniz's binary system revolutionized computing and paved the way for the incredible technological advancements we enjoy today. So, next time you see binary code, you'll have a better understanding of its significance. I hope you found this journey through number systems enlightening. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts and suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching.